Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook password. It's really simple and easy. So there will be any reason you want to go and change your password. To go and do this is go and sign into Outlook in the web. So go and click on sign in. If you are trying to change your password because you have forgotten, you can then click on forgot password here and go and reset it. However, if you still know the current one, then let's continue logging in. After logging in, go to the top right and click on your profile icon and click on My Microsoft account. On the account page, come over to the left and go and select security, and you will see a few different options here, one of them being change my password. So go and click there, and what you can do is enter your current password, and then we can go and choose a new one, and you need to confirm the new password. Then click on save and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change Outlook password. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.